post it.
I will, for sure. Take care. Good luck. Enjoy.
8 wives, 8 wives.
8 wives? Good luck. Good luck, my friend, with that. Don't work too hard, okay?
Spending too much.
Take care.
Hi everyone, so we just arrived in Ubud. It was a very heavy raining, and then we decided to have a dinner here in the warung on the top, on the second floor, and you see how is the traffic nowadays in Ubud. And also it's just like a rainy season. So we will take you to stroll around in Ubud at night. So we will have a dinner first.
So that's our food for today, and Sayang have a supper, and this is very nice cozy place overlooking the streets and the rain, and another restaurant on the other side on the street, and the warung looks like this one, very cozy. What's the name? Sami or something like this, and the friendly staff. Hello. Smacznego, Sayang.
Sate ayam looks so good, and Damian ordered
Mexican food for me, something different,
I think that the Asian, Indonesian food, they also have like Western food as well. So nice.
So nice. Smacznego. So that was in the restaurant. I have to get out. You have to go up like this one. And on the streets actually looks pretty busy. I just crossing the street right now. I hope so nobody gonna drive into me. I'm gonna show you also where is the restaurant in case if you would like to come by yourself. So that's the situation on the streets. As you can see, actually Ubud is pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you. Traffic is definitely, it was rainy all the time actually, and Sayang is sitting over there. Hi Sayang.
Hi Sayang.
This guy, check this out, like I said. Meanwhile, situation like this one, as you can see, Sayang is coming out from the warung, like this one. I think she gonna try to cross the street, but as you can see, actually it's pretty busy in Ubud right now. As you can see, some tourists walking around. Ah, you made it. Sayang, you made it eventually.
I was just scared, and then one lady just like go through the street. Oh my god. Look at that, so busy.
Yeah, and there's actually another one. They are two next to each other actually, guys. So happy
Somebody
days.
waving to you.
Yo, what's up? All right, so now we are heading to the Ubud Center, to the King Palace, like usual stuff, where it's the most busier. But however, overall, everywhere over here is the big traffic. And you can find on the other side of the street so many stalls selling any kind of merchandises and all the accessories like this one. The rain didn't scare anyone. Oops, I nearly fall down. You have to also be careful. This is Ubud. The paths are very small, and now it's slippery after the rain, so it's a serious thing. And the traffic situation, I'm gonna tell you, is actually pretty busy. Even it was raining almost all day long. Let's go, Sayang. The market is actually already on the on the walkway, so it's a little bit difficult. Traffic, well I don't know why, but if you are coming to Canggu or to Ubud like today, it's just simply busy, guys. Like I already mentioned last time, these two places are just simply busy, no matter of the day, no matter of the time, no matter of the weather conditions. Then we have a guy walking, nearly drive into me. I nearly die by the driving motorbike on the footpath, and these people can die as well if they're not gonna move in, but that's how it is. Little bit sarcastic, but that's actually true. Have to be careful. Overall, the situation on the bars, restaurants, buses are driving. Some restaurants are happy with the people, customers inside.
Let's keep walking, and then let's have a dessert. I'm craving for dessert.
There is some new nice place. I don't know what they're selling, but decorations is nice, worth to show you. Then it's the old warung and some people. Of course, on the other side of the street there is the reconstruction of the art market. Nothing really has changed about this one. It's gonna be at least 1 year until they're gonna make some big progress or finish. Then we have a situation on the other side. It's no walkway anyway, and this is the middle of the junction. There is the traffic situation, the officials making sure as everything is going correct and everybody are safe. This place, this is like a Banjar place. There is a performance of the Balinese dance. Some tourists here. This is the King Palace itself. The traffic situation is like this one. Everything is going on, you know. Another day in Ubud, I'm gonna tell you. But it was very heavy rain not so long ago. But as you can see, definitely busier than in Seminyak or in Sanur even. That's for sure, without any doubts. Actually, the progress of the new art market in Ubud is more advanced than I was expecting, because as you can see, actually the construction having already some shape. Not so long ago they was digging the fundamentals, but already like some construction is going on. So maybe in 1 year they're gonna finish, really. Let's see. Meanwhile, this is a little bit of the situation on the street, just next to the art market, obviously. Seems like here is some brand new place, or maybe not brand new, but refurbished, or maybe brand new. They're selling gelatos and stuff like this one, the live music, and the traffic, of course, just next to the art market. This is one-way road street. I think we're gonna have a coffee, or maybe coffee and dessert in this restaurant over here, the Simply Social, because it's very busy, seems like. I mean, like really very busy, Sayang. Honey, it's very busy over here, yeah?
Let's have a coffee.
Let's try, just let's cross the street. Let's go now. Ah! No, we are just normal. Here we go, we're going here. Thank you. Also, no shortage of the taxi drivers on every single corner, guys. Hello! We got table eventually, and check this out, it's actually almost full house. Unbelievable. People sitting in the bar, by the bar, because it's that busy. Hello! Hello! But they have a coffee, they said they have a cakes over here, so happy days. Oh, nice, so busy actually. Check this out, where are we gonna sit? Over here. Here we go.
So this place is actually full house. You see? We just come here for the coffee and cake. Enjoy, sayang.
Thank you, Sayang. Coffee and dessert, coffee and dessert.
Oh, looks so nice.
You guys may thinking guys I'm sad. Actually, I'm not sad. I'm just like little bit nostalgic, because like not so long ago, maybe like, I don't know, in the springtime, a few months ago, we were sitting alone here having a pizza. Nobody was around, nobody, totally zero, and everything was sad. And now
Years
it's full.
ago, right?
No, that was this year, like in January or February. And then now it's like so busy, you know. It's like, it's so cool. Actually, I'm very happy deep inside. I'm very happy indeed.
Yeah, so you guys can watch our previous old videos where, you know, Ubud was so quiet during the pandemic, but now almost all the restaurants are full house.
And they have a board at Bali edition over here. So cool actually, so funny but so cool at the same time. It's very busy, by the way, check this out. So as you can see, it's that busy as people waiting outside of the restaurant because there are not enough tables, so that's cool then. And Jalan Gutama over here, check this out, it's actually very busy in Ubud, guys. That's without any doubts, it's very dark. Pretty hard to making videos, but overall it's very busy, and taxi drivers also waiting. Hello.
So one thing I just realized, whenever, you know, we walk here in Ubud, the type of tourists, I think mostly the young tourists. Even like when we were in the cafe before having a coffee and cake, and when we had a dinner, it's, you know, just like dominantly young tourists are coming to Ubud, you see. Just like behind me, almost full house. Let's walk to Jalan Gautama Street to show you how it is nowadays.
Let's go, let's go. Hello, hello. Sayang, people looks shy. Whenever I try to film them, they covering their faces. That's not good, so sad. That's why making videos and talking to the people in Bali is very hard. Just in case, if you don't trust me, come to Bali, bring your own camera and start talking to them. People, they are shy, simply like that. Unfortunately, not all of them, but many of them. Meanwhile, very busy over here. What's going on? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Actually, very busy. Hold on, you can be on the video again. One more time. No worries. How you doing? Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Yo, what's up? How you doing?
Good, how are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Poland in Europe. Where are you from, guys?
Mexico,
Nice.
Lebanon.
That's so cool. You enjoying Bali so far?
Yes, I love it.
That's good. First time or already?
First time, yes.
So enjoy, my
Is
friend.
this going on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going on YouTube tomorrow.
Perfect. What's your account called?
The Monkeys, like this one.
The Monkey.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Yeah, you remember?
Post me.
I will, for sure. Take care. Good luck. Enjoy.
8 wives, 8 wives.
8 wives? Good luck, my friend,
Yeah,
with
I'm
that.
trying.
Don't work too hard, okay?
Spending too much.
Take care. So we were just talking as the people are shy. Some people are shy, some others actually at this specific time, they were so happy to be on the camera. And as Winnie mentioned, actually very young people, by the way. They was like in their 20s, right? By the way.
20s, 30s. I mean, like, people who are just like, kind of young travelers are here in Ubud.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you for being on my video. I hope so you watch and comment below. Also, here is very small, very cool looking, cozy, small warung. This one is perfect like for the monkey starter bar or warung. Definitely so cool. And here is another one. Also, as you can see, young people everywhere.
I remember like last time during the pandemic when we were here walking was so empty. I mean, not much tourists, like previously. But now, you see, almost all the restaurants were packed of people, full house. And then, when you walk, like many people are enjoying their time with their friends, with their beloved one, with their family, having a great time, having a dinner. So it's very nice to see how is Ubud nowadays.
Eventually we arrived to the Golden Monkey Corner. This is the very nice Chinese restaurant, at least I heard. We never tried there actually, but seems very popular. And also here is brand new, very fancy looking boutique. And there is some cocktail bar.
Oh, somebody waving at you. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Ubud Center and surroundings. You see that how it is, Ubud at night. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!